In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Vercel deployment. If you're a developer who's managing projects with Vercel, you might find yourself needing to clean up your deployments every now and then, whether it's to free up resources or simply to tidy up your project dashboard. Whatever your reason may be, I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step, making sure it's easy, efficient, and straightforward. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Vercel dashboard. You can do this by heading over to the Vercel website and entering your login credentials. Now, logging in is a crucial step because your dashboard is the hub of all your Vercel projects and deployments. Once you're in, you're going to see a list of all your projects. Take a moment now to locate the specific project that contains the deployment you wish to delete. If you have several projects, you might want to scroll through or use the search functionality to quickly find the project you're looking for. Once you have identified the right project, click on it to open up more specific details. Now that you're inside the project, direct your attention to the Deployments tab. This tab is typically located along the top of your project page and is where all the deployed versions of your project live. The Deployments tab is really useful as it gives you a comprehensive overview of when each deployment was made, helping you choose the correct one to delete. Once you've found the Deployments tab, take a look at the list of deployments. Spend a moment to identify the specific deployment that you want to remove. It's crucial to be certain about which one you're deleting, especially if you're managing several deployments, to avoid removing something you didn't intend to. Alright. After selecting the target deployment, click on it to focus in on that specific version. This action essentially opens a detailed view of that deployment. Here, you can see more information about how and when it was deployed, offering a last opportunity to ensure you've selected the proper file. When you're sure that this is the deployment you want to delete, look for the More Options button, which is represented by 3 dots, or as it's commonly called, the kebab menu. Clicking on these dots will provide you a drop-down menu. In the drop-down options, you'll see the Delete option. Simply click on Delete. Once you click Delete, Vercel will prompt you to confirm your choice, just as a safeguard to ensure that you're making the right decision. Confirm the deletion, and there you have it. The deployment is successfully removed from the project. And that wraps up the process. By following these steps, you've learned how to efficiently delete a deployment from your Vercel project dashboard, helping you manage your deployments more effectively. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to check out our other guides if you need more help with your development needs.